Alright, that is the final result, a viral talking animated character created solely using CapCut without any external software. I achieved this without relying on any AI image generators. Additionally, I successfully animated the character without using any AI video generators. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to make these animated avatars using the free CapCut video editor. But before we dive in, remember to subscribe to my channel because the upcoming videos will blow your mind. Let's get started with step 1. In this step, we need to find and download any image you like from Google. Don't worry, we will not use the character in the downloaded image itself, but we will convert it to our animation using CapCut in the next step. Just ensure that the image features a hoodie guy sitting in his office and facing the camera, or you can change your search by a girl instead of a guy. Also, download some lightning cyberpunk backgrounds to use later. I downloaded all these images to test my idea on how to convert them to my avatar and animate them using just CapCut. I've chosen this image and this background for our tutorial. Let's import them into CapCut to begin step 2. In this step, we'll use CapCut to transform the character in the original image into another animated character and change the background. First, drag and drop the original image into the timeline, click on the AI Stylize feature, then activate it and select Portrait. Click on the classic cartoon effect to get your own character. Then, we need to change the background with the one we downloaded. So go to Remove Background and activate the Auto Cutout feature. Then drag and drop your own background under the original image, and here is the result. Now, you have your own avatar with your desired background, and you can change it for each video on your Faceless YouTube channel. After creating your character with your desired background, we can now move on to the next step, animating the character and the background. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through the entire animation. I used the following objects to achieve this animation, all sourced from YouTube: a mouth green screen, a fan green screen, glasses green screen, and you can add anything you want to animate the background, such as lights and vibes, using CapCut stickers. Let's dive into the process. First, let's kick off the animation by making our character talk. To achieve this, I downloaded a mouth green screen from YouTube. Simply drag and drop it on top of your avatar, and using CapCut's Remove Background feature, eliminate the green color. Carefully adjust the scale and position it precisely on the avatar's mouth. And here is the result. You've just created a talking animation for your YouTube Faceless channel. Next, you can add the glasses green screen following the same steps. Now, let's animate the avatar background using green screens and CapCut's built-in stickers. You can add a fan green screen, a cup of coffee green screen, and incorporate some stickers to introduce more animations to the background. After completing these steps, create a compound clip to merge the avatar with the new background, green screens, and added stickers. And there you have it, your very own talking animation, a captivating way to attract viewers without revealing your face. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more mind-blowing content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.